I gotta help her?
You said you wanted to help her if she needed some help.
Can you open your present?
Kara says, follow me.
Who? Why?
She heard you say, follow me.
Follow me, guys. Follow me, guys. You are saying,
Mama, can you say I'm too?
Wow.
Mamie, happy birthday. Happy. Alana, you gonna help Mama sing? Happy birthday to you. Alana, sing. Happy birthday to you.
Hey.
Happy birthday, dear Kara. Happy birthday to you. Kara, what's that, baby?
Can we open this one?
No, honey, let Kara do it, please.
Oh, the type.
Happy birthday, Kara.
I'm gonna do the type.
Happy 2 years old. Alana, what a big helper you are. Oh, Alana, did you get the triangle crayons from yesterday? Where are they? Remember you put them away so we could give them as a surprise today?
Okay.
Okay.
We don't have to wrap it.
Okay.
We don't have. Dada, we got crown for you. Maybe she needed a little bit help for this crown.
You think so?
Yeah. I'll help you, Kara. Okay. Ready?
Kara, happy birthday.
Jenna's going to help you.
Oh, look at that book, Kara.
No
Look at that
book. No. You're not allowed to turn some parts.
How do we treat our books, Alana?
Read.
Read them and how do we treat them? Gently?
Yeah.
Okay. Kara, who's that? Who's that in your picture frame?
Me and Kara.
Kara, can you show Mama your picture frame?
If she said no, I would say yes.
Kara, can I see your picture frame? No. Can you show it to me, please? Show it to my camera.
I'll get a box for her.
Oh, okay.
妹妹，谢谢妈妈。走。妹妹，妹妹还有呢，快去抱来车。妹妹，快去抱来车。好。
I opened your crowns.
You opened them up and threw them in there?
Yes.
Okay. You know, how about if you have her open one of the... Yeah, maybe that's what she's opening right now. What do you got, Kara Bean?
Maybe a puzzle.
Oh, you think so?
Oh, a book.
Oh, every year on your birthday.
Yeah.
A book. Happy birthday, Beanie Bean.
Bean, you want to do this? See what's in there. This crying look good here. Good job, Kara.
Good job, Kara. Oh, I like the way you cover your mouth, Alana.
You can color on that.
Oh, coloring book. Just in time you got new crayons too.
Kara, you can color like this. You can color this.
Okay, Alana, let her finish opening, okay? She knows she still has more presents.
Okay. When you need help for the big one. Oh, that one has stickers. Open this one. Oh, that one has stickers. See? You have more wrappers. Come on. Kara, are that beautiful? I you see it because I don't want you to see the presents.